We are trying to shoo all the negative vibes. What did we do, Smiskies? What? Asked Sharky. Okay. Sharky, what happened? Oh, I see. You met your new siblings. Hi, this is Tabby. This is Woofy. Yes, like Woofy at home. And this is Whiskey. What else did we do? We bought something. Why? Do we need anything? The wallet seems okay. Oh, it's already sira-sira. So we got this one. It's local and it's banig, so it looks like it came from the Philippines. That's not it. Ta-da! This is Robin May, a local brand. Let's see what's inside and do an unboxing. Are we ready? We wanted to buy something more expensive, but this is more useful and we need it right now. Let's see what's inside. Hold on. I know what it is, but it's a surprise for all of you. Ta-da! Do you like the color? Hope this will give us more good luck and bring us more wealth. Thank you.